The bats are really cool. They're just really fucking cool. Doing my leaving cert, I wanted to do veterinary because I knew I liked science and I really liked animals. And I was just like, yeah, that makes sense. But then there was the part that you need a lot of points to do veterinary, and there wasn't a hope I was going to get that at all. So I kind of went for the next best thing, which was zoology in my mind, and it turned out to be, yeah, the best choice I could have made because it's such a broad topic that I get to do animal work, but at the same time I get to do molecular biology, which I at the time didn't realize is actually such a massive field. But now I know that it's huge and you can do so much in it. The big project that we're looking at the minute was aging. So bats, unlike other mammals, live super long, which is really cool. Another thing they do is they're able to harbor a lot of viruses without any kind of bad side effects, which again, really cool. They are the only mammals who can truly fly, which is again really cool. One thing that's again really cool about bats, I'm just gonna start listing off cool things about bats, um, is that it seems to be that when they get an infection, they have this massive inflammatory response and basically try and burn out the disease. But the problem is that that's quite damaging to the whole system on it, like altogether. Um, but then bats seem to be able to do this thing where they kind of peak it for a minute and then clear the disease and then are able to just completely reduce it back down to normal, which is really cool, like massively cool. So if we could understand how to kind of utilize that, that would be a game changer for any kind of health concerns or anything like that. Bats, I think, tend to get this bad rep because they look a bit spooky. They're mammals, but yet they have these weird leathery kind of wings. Typically kind of spooky. But I mean, foxes are nocturnal. In urban areas, they're not really, but on a whole, they are. Hedgehogs are nocturnal. Tons of animals are nocturnal. It's just that bats just seem to have this bad rep, and no, definitely not deserved.